Have you ever wished that using a PC would be way easier and less expensive? Or maybe you bought a PC, but it doesn't perform as you want it to do? Well, in today's series, I'm going to be trying to make an application basically that makes your computer run better, makes everything you need in the computer, say for example, whether it be video chatting or customization for your PC, it's all in one app, so you maybe don't have to download a couple of different apps. You just download this one app and it's done. Well, let's just start by parts. So I think this week I'm gonna probably try to work on software that really just tries to look through your performance, what your performance is happening to your PC. I got mine over here, and then I'm gonna try to hop onto my computer and start coding and roll the intro.
Got my bag, shawty with me, I stepped up. GTA, the ops ain't no less up. Let's do this. Flip a bag, now I'm serving a Tesla. Got my bag, shawty with me, I stepped up. GTA, the ops ain't no less up. Shawty born to be my angel, yeah, I'm blessed up. Cooking right up in the stool, got a cheddar fan. Yeah, I'm watching out for ops, yeah.
Okay, so as you can see in the screen in front of you, we have some kind of UI. Now, I'm using this thing called Qt Creator. Now, this is amazing because you can save the file as a Python code, which is very amazing for what are we trying to do. So, we have our main UI and then we have our splash screen.ui. So, the splash screen is basically something with a transparent background and it kind of loads up. So let's go over here to our code editor. So this is called a code editor, and what you basically do is you have your file over here on the right hand side, and then you have your different files inside that folder, and you can run those files. So over here we have our main.py, which is basically telling it to start a timer and then load up the loading screen and then switch to the main. Okay, so if we run that, hopefully it's gonna run well. And 91, okay, so it hasn't loaded into the main menu. While you might ask, well, you see it's doing stuff in the background. And what I told it to do is to actually print the values of the CPU usage, which is basically the processor usage. Now, if we open up something called Task Manager, you can do that if you're on Windows by doing Control-Shift-Escape. And we go to Performance over here, we find pretty similar numbers. But you see, the reason is that they're not like so close is because you see it says over here user equals 35 and then the system another number. Now basically what's it called, Task Manager does is add these two numbers and display them as a percentage. So that's why it's a little bit different than the Task Manager. So if you pause at any given second, hopefully I can do that in my video editing software because, spoiler alert, I'm recording this after week 3, so stick around, it gets really interesting. Oh yes, it gets really interesting. But, yeah, so basically this is it for week 1. We can close this up right now and let me show you that it works. If I just cut this real quick and then run this again, it should hopefully load up into the application. What happened? Why is it not loading up to the application? I'm so confused. What?
Next week on VEXD.
Okay. Okay, that is weird. Why is it not starting up? Hello? Why is it not starting up? Hello? No, dude. I think my PC broke. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. And if you'd like to see more, click on this video. This video is what YouTube recommends for you. Also subscribe. Click on my logo right here to subscribe. And if you did like this video, please like and comment. Tell me what is your favorite part of this video. Bye. Stay safe everyone and peace out.